I just move with time and always show you in the end. The words were sent to kill the man, but they ain't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today I am going to be installing this 30-inch, doing my makeup, and what else are we at? Oh, and giving y'all a little mini baby hair tutorial. Okay, so y'all, I am actually using an old ball cap. I actually did my hair probably like 2 days ago, so I snatched off that wig. The cap did not come off, and I was like, bad, I'm gonna use the same cap again because why not? So that's why we kind of going ahead, getting the party started or whatever. You guys already see I am trying on my wig to make sure that my hairline looks good, looks perfect. I am flat, not even flat ironing. I'm hot combing the hairs back so we can go ahead and get this started. If you guys are watching my video, you guys already know my process, what I do. Nothing has really changed much except kind of how I do my baby hairs, which I am going to show y'all a little bit today. Also, I am getting married very soon, so hopefully I can get a lot of the content pushed out for you guys before that happens, because I'm trying to enjoy this marriage bliss. I am so ready for this wedding, and I'm ready for the day to come. Let's just say that. So you guys already know I am always going to be using my Ericka J glue, the holy grail, my favorite glue. I believe this time I put 3 coats on because I think I'm gonna wear this wig a little longer than usual, at least until my bachelorette party. So I was thinking maybe I should record, or maybe like record me getting ready for my bachelorette party and my bachelorette weekend and whatnot. I might do that stuff because you guys know I'm a little private, but I may document this part because it's a very huge part of my life. So while I'm letting my glue set in, I am actually using Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I know it's something like that, I don't know, but it feels so good on the skin, y'all. I know this makeup tutorial is kind of like a little ghetto, just a little bit, but I mean a little goes a long way. So I'm actually going in and using my Fenty powder. I forgot what color it's in, but I know it's my Fenty powder. I just use the one that's closest to my complexion, and then I just kind of put that around my face, and then I'm actually going to go in with my setting spray. You guys are going to see right here, and I believe this is my Morphe setting spray from Ulta. Majority of my products are from Ulta or from Sephora. And then I'm going to go in with my Hydro Milk. It's something milk cost. Yeah, milk something. I'm going to go in with that primer, Hydro primer or whatnot. And I love this combo that I use. It's actually from TikTok. I learned how to do this. And when I tell you it will make your makeup look flawless, I cannot stop doing it. I will not stop doing it. Like, it makes your makeup look perfect. So I just went in with one of my LA Girl, I think that's what it's called, LA Girl concealers, and then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Well, I cannot talk today. Y'all already know me. I'm not about to be acting fake and phony on this voiceover. Like, you get what you get. So I'm just gonna focus the Shape Tape, which is the lighter complexion. I'm going to focus it on the upper part of my eyes. You don't want to drag it down because you want to drag your face down. You want to make it look like you're awake. You just had a nice good old, you know, cup of coffee, and you want to make it look like you just woke up. This part is definitely self-explanatory. You guys already know how you lay your lace. Just go ahead and lay the lace, comb it back, and let's go ahead and get this cutting this lace off. Also, not to mention, this is the HD lace from UNice hair company, y'all. When I tell you I laid this lace so good, I was like, yo, like, this really could be used as a glueless install. You got to see when I start pulling the flap back how good it looks even without the lace being there or it being pretty much glued down. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. I'm annoying, but whatever. Because play with who? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. So yeah, I am going to be doing a middle part today because I've been doing side part lately. Like, I used to be a middle part girl, but the side part has just been given, and I need all that I can get. Okay, so here it is right here where I'm pulling the flap back. So if you want to do a glueless install, this is definitely the perfect wig to do it with. HD lace, to me, it's just undefeatable. I love it. Some people say it tear easily. I used to think that as well, but no ma'am, it's the go. I can't imagine life without it, really. So you guys know my regular baby hair pull back routine, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the hairs that I need to do my baby hairs. For some reason, I've been taking out a little bit more than usual just because I like to do like a little bit of a pull back look. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but you'll be able to see it once I start doing my baby hairs. You can go ahead and spray your lace tint, spray your holding spray, put your band on, and yeah, let's go ahead and get this lace melted. So basically what I want to do is I want to do any extra plucking that I need, and I'm going to be hot combing the hairs back. This video would have been so much longer if I would have kept majority of the content in, but nobody likes watching those long videos. At least I don't. Like, hurry up and get to the point. So a lot of it has been cut out, but you know the vibe. Like, oh, also, this is how I kind of started doing my baby hairs a little bit lately. Does it help? Not really, but I mean, if you're gonna do soft baby hairs, it definitely help. If you're doing, like, if you're plastering your baby hairs on your head, a lot of people be trying to come for you and be like, oh, that's not cute. Yeah, you don't have to use this. But that's what I'm doing today. I don't have time to be doing my baby hairs every single day, so we're gonna be putting them on my forehead. I like to curl up. Some people like to curl down. It's definitely preferential, whatever you want to do. And I never really show you guys how long I cut my baby hairs, but I'm trying to get a good example right here. It is so hard to do. I always say this in every video. It is so hard, and I'm not going to stop saying it because it is so hard. So I did try to do my baby hairs on camera, which I did get more footage than what I usually do. But I did have to go back in the mirror and pretty much perfect them and make it, you know, look to my liking. So you guys can kind of see, like, how I cut my baby hairs and what length. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to put my translucent powder back on, carve out my face a little bit, you know, give it a little dimension. Even though I did forget to put on my bronzer, I was really in a rush, always in a rush doing my hair. So yeah, if you guys want like a personal tutorial with how I do my makeup or whatever, like on a real day, I can definitely get that to y'all. But I mean, it was cute for a nice little 10-minute, 20-minute little face or whatever. I always use bomb glue. Not bomb glue. I always use, what's that thing called? I always use Gorilla Snot for my baby hairs. 9 times out of 10, I'm using Gorilla Snot. I know some people say I don't put like the products on the screen or list them or whatever. Y'all, I am a busy woman. I am sorry. So just keep listening throughout the video and I'll let you guys know, you know, what I use. So as you guys can see, kind of like my fingers, how I'm placing them, what I do, how I move them. It's kind of, I don't know, like drag and pull. I'm a visual learner. Like, I can look at something and I can kind of like mimic the same thing. So it's kind of hard for me to explain it, but I hope I'm giving you guys a good visual of what I am doing and whatnot. Don't take that powder off. Do not leave your powder on too long, because I promise you, your face will be ashy. And that's just that. Nobody wants an ashy face. I think I ended up stopping and doing one side of my baby hairs and then coming back and doing the other side. That's exactly what I did. So yeah, you just want to go ahead and basically do the same thing. The same thing that you guys saw me do on the first baby hairs, I did on the second baby hairs. Like, they are so hard to do, dude. And just keep trimming until you feel like it's at the desired length. Always cut longer than shorter, because if you cut too short, it's kind of hard to come back from that. So basically, I told y'all to hold on because I'm gonna go ahead and finish my baby hairs off camera. Y'all, look at this curl. Like, this curl pattern is bomb. This is what I've been wanting for a while. Like, something that's like super duper curly, super duper Puerto Rican, Bohemian Island, honeymoon vibes. Yeah, like, look at this. So cute. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.